The portfolio example I decided to go with was Google Sites. It's very important to be able to be familiar with all the many different functions that Google offers us, as it is very commonly used now in the school system. And that was the reason why I decided to choose Google Sites as my portfolio example. And to create a new website, it's very simple. You just click this plus button down here and then get started. I have an example already right here, so let's go to that. All right, so my example, art and stuff. So here we have a home page. We can make changes to it if we like. It gives us a bunch of different options. We can put collapsible text, a table of contents, dividers, YouTube. It's just so versatile. And then we can add new pages if we need to, just by clicking this plus button right here. I have a few different examples that I already put together. So this is one of teen displays that I've done at work. And so I just put 1 month of displays in the back to school one to show two different styles of the templates that you can have as options. So this one would be top and then text on the bottom, and then this one is on the side and text to the side. You can make it longer or shorter as needed, and you can also crop, uncrop images and change their sizing. So it's just a really nice, versatile website. You can fiddle around with it a little bit more. This is the quick down and dirty, but it's a great place to put things that you're especially proud of on and be able to show it to others and refer back to at a later point in time to see how far you've come.